Okay guys, today I'll tell you how to rotate a clip or an image in DaVinci Resolve. For that, I have two media files in my timeline. One is of a field with flowers, and then another one is a bee. So I want to rotate this bee in the field. So for this effect, I need to go to the Inspector tab and go to the start when the bee will appear. Click on this file. Initially, let's put the zoom value to 0 and rotate angle is also 0. This rotate angle will be the one that will be important. Let's keep a keyframe at the start for both rotate angle and zoom, and then move the playhead over to here. Now let's put the zoom value to 1, so, and the rotate angle to 360. DaVinci will automatically add a second keyframe where you've changed the value of rotation angle and zoom. So now let's see how the video goes.